Dedicated to providing eco-friendly micro-hospitality solutions in far-reaching destinations, Studio Puesto is at it again. Following the success of their tiny, modular cabin design, Space of Mind, Studio Puesto, a sustainable interior design studio based in Finland, recently debuted the first prototype of cabins soon to be part of a larger hospitality project called Kivijärvi Resort. Once completed, the resort, situated near Salamajärvi National Park, will comprise of 25 cabins that vary in both design and structure to adhere to the ever-changing landscape of Finland's dense, snow-covered forest, offering accommodations for guests looking for an elevated, yet immersive getaway in nature. The resort's first completed cabin is called Neliöitä, which refers to the traditional storage structure built at the end of a high pillar, used by the Sami people to store food and equipment, keeping it safe from the grasp of hungry or curious wildlife. In order to immerse guests of Kivijärvi Resort in the elements of nature as safely, but also as close as possible, Studio Puesto installed a floor-to-ceiling window that stands some distance from the cabin's deep gable roof. From Neliöitä's front-facing window, guests enjoy the most dominant landscapes as the cabin's location was purposefully selected to offer the most unobstructed views of Finland's forest and nearby body of water. The cabin itself is painted twilight black to disappear into the darkness come night, but the warm, wooden panels that line Neliöitä's interiors provide a cozy refuge that glows with relaxed, ambient lighting. Maintaining the forest's original terrain was a top priority for the architects at Studio Puesto, which meant that Neliöitä's location was strategically decided upon based on whichever location required the least number of trees to be cut down. Since the whole structure rests only on a single pillar, there was only minimal contact with the natural environment and landscape during construction, the final structure requiring the removal of only a few trees. When sourcing their material for construction, Studio Puesto avoided plastic, opting instead for wood to build the cabin's frame, walls, roof, and base. In a similar pursuit of sustainability, Neliöitä was insulated using eco-wool, a natural type of thermal insulation that traps air in millions of tiny air pockets found in the insulator's fibers. With both hospitality and sustainability at the forefront of these designers' plans for Kivijärvi Resort, Neliöitä currently offers all the luxuries found in high-end hotel experiences including a ventilation unit, air source heat pump, water heater, and electrical switchboard. Then, a bathroom, spacious shower, as well as a kitchenette can all be found in the rotating core in the middle of the cabin in addition to the more mechanical luxuries mentioned above. Water, sewer, and electrical lines run to Neliöitä under the cabin's external staircase. Offering guests with these conveniences of daily life was just as important to Studio Puesto as was the cabin's elevated immersive nature. The idea is that by simply retreating away up in the air, we feel immediately detached from our everyday worries happening on the ground. Designer, Studio Puesto.